I have here to unbox B1A4's third album, Good Timing. Here's the front. Oh, the checklist is on here. And the CD. So it's B and then 1 and then the A, but I think the A should be maybe like this, and then 4. I think that's kind of creative, but yeah. Actually, I do think it's creative. And then the photo book. I actually really like this style of album with just CD on one side, photo book on the other side. Just a nice. I guess it's kind of standard, but I really like it. Snow, Gongchan. I really like these photos outside in general. I really like that. Battle. That's really pretty pictures. Jinyoung. Kind of reminds me of In the Wind, like the photos. Photo card. I've already seen the photo card actually because I filmed an unboxing of all these albums before, but I don't know if I'm gonna show that part, so I'll still make it a surprise in case you either haven't seen that video or if I didn't end up showing it in that video, because I might not show it in that video, so otherwise I think I'm not gonna show it, but mainly also because I was talking way too much in the video and I was like showing way too much in the video. I feel like it was kind of an unboxing for all the 4 albums already, and so I think maybe, I'm not sure though. I should have to see with editing what I'm gonna do. It has a lot of photos in here. I really like that too. In general, I think B1A4 has really great photo books, so I really like the Who Am I album. That was like more like a magazine, and you had like different stories and things, and like, yeah, I just thought that was very creative. That kind of that album made me want to buy more albums because I thought it was so well done. So yeah. Kind of B1A4 made me collect photo albums in a way. This one is, why is this so, I don't know, that doesn't seem to be even. It seems like yours more, weird. Picture of a flower, and then lyrics. I actually like this, that looks really pretty. I really hope that this video ends up not being as dark as it seems now to me. I mean, it's not that dark yet, but a little bit. More lyrics and messages. How do you say that again? Thanks to. Oh, it's been so long since I did an unboxing. And credits. Yeah. I really like the title track for this album, and I feel kind of bad that it took me so long to get this album. Also, I like the other tracks on the album, so I haven't really listened a lot to them, but yeah, I really like it. Just in general, I think B1A4 has really great music, which is why they're one of my favorite groups. And the photo card I got was Battle, this version, because I think there's multiple cards. I don't really care because I love all the members, but my bias is Jinyoung, I think. I kind of really like all of the members though, which is another reason why they're one of my favorite groups. So I don't really care. I'm happy with Battle's card as well. And I never got Battle, I never pulled Battle in an album. Usually I pull Sunder, and I've pulled Shinu 2 times I think, and Gongchan 1 time. But I never pulled Battle before, so now I have. Now hopefully I will pull Jinyoung in the next album. But that was the unboxing for this album. Thank you for watching.